The XLERATOR is the original, patented, high-speed, energy-efficient hand dryer. XLERATOR's state-of-the-art technology dries hands while using 80% less energy than conventional hand dryers. XLERATOR is manufactured, tested, and packaged by hand in the United States and is made in USA certified. Facilities around the world use XLERATOR to save time, money, and the environment while creating a cleaner, more hygienic restroom environment. Independent third-party research shows that XLERATOR represents up to a 70% reduction in carbon footprint, even when compared with 100% recycled paper towels, helping facilities qualify for several LEED credits, Green Globes, and other certifications to achieve corporate and government sustainability goals. XLERATOR's modular design and a less than 1% failure rate make it one of the most reliable and easy-to-service hand dryers on the market. XLERATOR is offered with several options and a complete line of accessories to customize the best solution for any restroom environment. Featuring our new HEPA filtration system, noise reduction nozzle, speed and sound control, ADA-compliant recess kits, the Exchanger paper towel dispenser retrofit kit, and more. Our cover finish options are the most diverse in the industry, including customized cover options for corporate branding or environmental messaging. XLERATOR created the high-speed, energy-efficient hand dryer category and continues to set the standard in the industry. The XLERATOR hand dryer, original, patented, still the best. XL Dryer. Time to throw in the towel.